Hi guys, welcome to the second part of publicizing an event. On the first part we understood on how to publicize an event. Now we want to see, has it actually been publicized? We say that when you publicize an event, it sends a notification to your members, to your guests, and also to your visitors who visit your club. It also adds your event on a special place called Near Me, so that anyone who's around your location or location of that event are able to see. So I'll go to Near Me to see if our event is part of the list. So I'll click on the menu up here, the top menu, go to Events and Meeting, Events Near Me. Then I can choose whether I want to see per week, and the radius, I'll just say Find Events. It will ask me for a permission to use my GPS. I say it's okay, proceed. Then I'll wait to see if the event that we created is on the list. And actually it's there. I can see Talk by Dr. John. So it is on Near Me and the code is well displayed, meaning that the event has been publicized. The second way of knowing if this event is publicized is to check on your WhatsApp if you are a member to see if you have received the message. So I'll switch to WhatsApp, and on my WhatsApp you can be able to see that the event is there. So the first part of the event tells you about what kind of event it is, the title of the event, the date of the event, location, with a maps where you can click this and it takes you automatically to Google Maps, then the code of that event, email should you want to talk to that person, and the contact if there is any. So this shows that the event has been publicized and every member, every guest, and every visitor of your club has received this notification on WhatsApp. So that's all about the second part of publicizing an event. Thank you.